I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder at the Deuk Spine Institute. And I have one of my patients who underwent a thoracic Deuk laser disc repair just yesterday. She had this surgery done outpatient, and she came to us having thoracic pain up at the T6-7 area. We found a herniated disc on the MRI. How are you doing today?
Dr. Deuk, I'm doing amazing compared to what I was yesterday. Yeah, I came in with a heck of a lot of pain that radiated through the side of my rib cage. Any type of flexion forward or back was excruciating. You know, yesterday when I left here, I have zero pain.
Zero pain in that area.
Zero
Wonderful.
pain in that area, so
Yeah.
I can't thank you enough.
You're welcome. So we did the thoracic Deuk laser disc repair, and you could see in the video how we made a 4mm incision and went in and used the laser to repair your T6-7 disc, cleaning out the herniation. And I found a lot of herniation in there. As a matter of fact, it was worse than the MRI indicated. The MRI didn't look too bad, but the fact is your pain was exactly at T6-7 and it wrapped around on the left ribs, and your MRI had a herniation there. So it all made sense. We fixed it for you, and here you are.
Yeah.
Doing great.
Standing up, walking. Yeah, it was outpatient, so it was amazing. I was referred into you, and could not be happier with you and your entire staff. So trust me, I slept better last night than I have in a long time.
Great. I'm glad to hear that, and thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you very much.
All right, take care.
Appreciate it.
That was short and sweet.